Circuit Cubes is an awesome toy that basically we want to engage kids in play. And in that play, they're going to learn about circuits and mechanics. Nate and I know from in the classroom that if you don't get the engagement of the kids and the excitement, you're never going to get past into the learning part. So for us, the cubes leverage that. So basically they can immediately start playing with the cubes, and then we can combine those with awesome learning tools, so gearing ratios, the concept of a parallel and series circuit. So the real beauty of the cubes is it's going to engage them, let them play, and then through that, as Nate would say, we're going to put it's like cheese on the broccoli, where the learning's coming in, but they're eating it up and they don't even realize it.
Well, it was born out of an idea in the classroom. I was a classroom teacher for 15 years, and we couldn't find a product that taught kids basic circuitry and technology literacy and was fun to play with. And so John and I came up with the idea of using circuit blocks that have 2 nails in them and use alligator clips, and then we realized it wasn't quite fun enough, so we went smaller and integrated it with the most common building block, Legos.
We also designed it so it's not foolproof. So basically when you connect it, it doesn't always connect in the right way. There's other products out there that it's magically connected by this multi-pin connector, and it just works, which is cool. But for us, we want them to go, oh, wait, why is the motor spinning this way? I want it to go that way. Well, switch the wires, let's talk about it. Or wait, how come the LED and the motor are going slow and very dim? That might be a series circuit. What if you stack it or put it in parallel? Wow, they're bright. What's that doing? Let's talk about it.
So in terms of the business and the response that we're seeing now, we've got the product out in a bunch of major channels like Target, Best Buy, Barnes & Noble, at some of the MoMAs, which is really exciting. And the feedback we're getting from parents and from the buyers is that they like seeing a product that is easy to use out of the box, that you have a great experience right away. It's simple, you don't need an engineering degree. You don't necessarily need your parent sitting next to you trying to figure out step-by-step instructions.
When we were out at, I think it was New York Maker Faire, so myself and another one of our staff were there, and we were just meeting these couple parents, and they happened to have a bunch of kids along with them. You know, ranging from like 4.5 to 14, I think. And we weren't going to do a demo, we just said we'd happen to have a bunch of the cubes with us. So we brought the cubes out, and they're like, hey, I thought I'll just give these guys a quick little lesson and show how they work. So I had, I don't know, a dozen cubes, and I was here. So you take the cube and you connect this, and then the motor spins. And these kids were like, you know, kids are impatient, you know how it is. So before I got like 30, 45 seconds into it, somebody grabbed the motor, then they put the wheel on, then someone else traded it. And I just stepped back and said, that's it.